Hello everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I just finished planting all the pots for the summer and I got a whole whack load today. Some of these are plants that we keep indoors during the winter time and then we just bring them out in the summertime. I brought my little chickens out. They were on top of the kitchen cupboards there, and I thought they needed a change of scenery, so I brought my little chickens out here. And this is one plant that we do keep inside during the winter, and it's really doing quite well. This little ceramic, when Jules was in high school, they had an art show, and I bought this, and it's like a little shrimp there relaxing in his own little pool there, so I thought he was adorable. And then I got some pansies, some Gerber daisies. This is my aloe. And then before the garden centers open, we ordered some pots online. So of course I had to get my little bunny rabbit pots here. And these pots I actually bought at Dollarama. They're really quite nice. I think they're about $4, I think they were. They're very pretty. And I just can't quite remember where I got this one from. It was very inexpensive. Where did I get that from now? I can't remember. Why am I thinking it was Dollarama too? But yeah, it has all these little pictures of succulents on it. And I brought Mr. Hedgehog out for the summertime there. And this little pot, it just looks like a watering can. And this is another plant that we had inside for the winter. And I just bought these pots yesterday at the garden center. And I put about 3 different plants in these ones, so when they get quite large, they're going to look quite nice. And these bigger pots, now these coleus, I buy a lot of coleus. These things get absolutely huge, so they look kind of small in the pot, but they really grow quite big there. I think these are called donkey tails. They're a type of succulent. And usually we plant some herbs in here, but we still have to do that. We do have our vegetables out in the backyard. I just can't go back there right now because Frank is staining the deck. Ooh, these ones are looking a little sad. I better water them. And this is what I purchased at HomeSense, the 3 little birds, and then in the middle is a succulent, and then there's the hens and chicks on the side there. So yeah, once everything really starts blooming and taking off, it's going to look even better. But yeah, I just love filling up these pots and just throwing all these plants in, and have the bags of mulch there in the back. That's Frank's job though. My back gets too sore to do that, so he still has to finish that up. So anyway, that's the front steps there. The dogs keep looking at me through the front door there. So I'll show you today what I'm burning and melting. In the powder room and my Yankee tea light warmer, I have Sensationals Ocean Tides, and this is the type of scent I do like in the powder room. It's fresh and bright, clean, aquatic note to it, a little bit that salty ocean air, but that's the type of scent I do like in the bathrooms. And yeah, it's throwing quite well, and the wax color is so pretty. And I don't know if I ever showed you these little ceramic rubber boots that I bought. I bought these years ago when White Rose was still open, but I thought they were just really cute, and I just stick the little plants on top there. And in the kitchen I have Nectarine Green Tea going from Bath & Body Works. This is a little bit different from the London Tea and Lemon. This one you get a little bit more of that greenery note rather than the lemon note. It's very similar to the London Tea and Lemon, but it's just a little bit different. And yeah, this is filling up the kitchen and wandering out a little bit. The wicks are getting a little bit small, so I have to keep my eye on them. They might need to have a little bit of a dunking with a cotton ball there. I did have the key lime pie going for the past couple of days. And yeah, this one's really quite yummy. It's just that really tart lime. And you can smell a little bit of the crust too. But yeah, I really like this one on a bit of a hotter day there. Alright, in the pantry area we have Sensational Sea Salt Caramel Popcorn. Now usually I kind of reserve this for like a cooler day, more of like a fall scent. But I don't know, just living on the edge, I guess. So yeah, this one has a pretty good throw and it's very long lasting. I definitely get that caramel, I get that salty note to it. So yeah, I actually really do like this one. And in the family room, I have, it smells like a floral scent. I can't remember what I put in here. I think it's Yankees Pink Peony. Peony, sorry. Peony, tomato. Yeah, it's floral. It smells quite good. Anyway, I can't remember. But once that one's done, I'm going to throw in some Sensationals Cherry Berry. I don't know if you can still get this in the Canadian Walmart. It's a classic. It's just straight up cherries and berries all blended together. It really is a yummy scent. So I have a couple of cubes ready to go once I figure out what this is and if it has any scent. And I really miss these Yankee tart warmers, like the seasonal ones. I really do like these ones. I really wish they would bring them back. This just reminds me of camping when the kids were little, and I really do love this warmer. I really wish they'd bring these classic warmers back. And in the office, there's Yankee Candle's Linden Tree, which is a European release that I picked up at HomeSense Winners. And this is definitely a floral scent. I've never smelled the blossoms on a linden tree, so I don't know how authentic it is. But it is actually a very nice floral scent. I'm not usually into sharp cloying ones, but this one's not too bad. I actually really do like this this floral scent. There definitely is a greenery scent, and I think that's what just makes it better, is because there's like a nice bright greenery element to it. So I just restarted this because I just come back from the garden center to get some more soil. So, but it is pooling out very, very well. Like I had a lovely, lovely deep pool there yesterday, and it's filling up the office and it's wandering out into the hallway. So the throw on this is actually very, very good. So I'm quite impressed with this one. And in the bedroom I have, oh, if you can see it, Lavender Vanilla. So I had this burning last night, and I was in and out of the bedroom, and I relit it this morning, then had to blow it out because I had to go and get some more soil, and so I haven't really got a good feel for this one yet. It's a softer lavender. It's not an overly sharp herbal lavender. It's a little bit softer, tamed down by the vanilla, but I will have to get back to you. Haven't got a real good feel for it. The other night I had Into the Woods burning. Now on cold it's a woodsy greenery, like a deep greenery scent, but I found that when it was melting there was a real smokiness about it. So a very soft, woody, greenery, smoky scent. I really did enjoy it. I do like that kind of scent. Maybe not the greatest for a hot day. I think it's a little bit better for a cooler night, but it's perfect for my history shows, so I actually really did enjoy that. So, yeah, me and the puppies are going to go out for a hike. I think I'm going to jump in the river with them this time, though. This heat just really gets to me, so Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well, and take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.